Getting more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours is the goal of YouTube creators today, especially small YouTube creators. When we are just beginning as content creators, usually we don't know how the algorithms works. YouTube algorithm has its principles on how it works and how it understands the content that creators create on this platform. So if you are one of the YouTubers who has been struggling creating videos but not generating enough views and subscribers and watch hours, this video you must watch until the end, because I will share tips that will help your videos to start ranking well and to be recognized by YouTube algorithm. Why it is important for YouTube algorithm to recognize your video is because if YouTube recognizes your video, it pushes it to a lot of people. That's where your YouTube will start to grow. The YouTube algorithm is made to understand what viewers are looking for. So if you create a video and YouTube understand the quality of video that you have and its right audience, and it start pushing your video to the right audience at the right time, that is the point where you see drastic increase in traffic into that video. And as more people watch, your number of watch hours increases, your chance of getting more subscribers increases. When YouTube understands your video and starts to recommend it to the right audience at the right time, that's when you see drastic growth in the amount of traffic that goes into your video as well as your channel. Therefore, it's very important not just to create quality videos, but also to understand how the system understands our content. So there are a couple of things that must be done to achieve this goal. In this video, I'll share key elements which we have to understand before uploading our video, during the process of uploading, as well as after we have uploaded the video, so that we keep our video in a position whereby YouTube can discover it and recommend it to the right audience and give us the maximum view potential of the content we create. The first thing that YouTube looks for or uses to discover our content is the title. Before creating the video, make sure that you have a proper title in mind. And the secret to having a good title that YouTube will understand is to put the right keyword in that title. So that's the first thing we have to consider. Now that we have an idea of the title and the keyword, we can now start the process of uploading. What to do exactly during the uploading process in order to position our video for the algorithm to understand it as fast as possible and push it on top rank when people search for that keyword. So I'll show you how to do that. We'll have to start the uploading process. So let's go and so the first thing is to have a title, and that title should have a keyword within it, and we'll start from there. Now let's go and upload our video. Okay, so we go to create video. So now here we upload our video. Initially, the video has a file name which was generated from the camera. The first thing that we have to do before we upload that video is to change the file name and put the keyword, the same keyword we put in the title, we have to put it on the video. So we have to rename the video using the keyword. Just name the video keyword CEO. Okay, then we can now upload it. Now the video has uploaded, so we have to put the title. Okay, so I've put the title, and the keyword for this video is within the title. That's the first thing. Then we come to here. So the description is another area which is very important for the YouTube algorithm to understand our video. In this description, we have to put a brief description of what our video is all about. And also remember to include again the same keyword which we included in the title as well as in the file name. So I'll just copy a quick description here. I've written the description using the keyword. So you can see that the keyword is also within the description. So within this description, additionally, you can also put related keywords. So your main keywords, which is like primary keyword, you can put secondary keywords. So other words related, you can also include them here. But the most important thing is that your description should flow naturally. Don't just list keywords here. After the description, another important feature that we need to do is to put the right thumbnail. We don't need to use auto-generated. We have to create a thumbnail specifically for this video. The reason is that we need our thumbnail to also have the keyword. So the auto-generated thumbnail will not give us that opportunity to input the keyword within the thumbnail. So let's go straight ahead and upload our thumbnail. We have to change that file name again as we did with the video and put the keyword, the same keyword, to put keyword CEO. The same, we upload that thumbnail. So our thumbnail has uploaded. We come to another important area, is the playlist. YouTube algorithms loves playlist because they expect that in one playlist you put related content. So if they direct a viewer into that playlist, that viewer can have the chance to watch more than one video or stay longer and get more value from your channel. So make sure to create a playlist. If you have a playlist already, here you just choose. I have already created a playlist, and this playlist you have to include the keyword. So here we have to choose. Then another area, important area, is the tags. So here you put tags. So tags are just keywords, that relate to your content. On this section, you can put as many keywords as you want, up to a maximum of 500 characters. Just make sure you put in the relevant keywords, the most relevant primary keywords and secondary keyword here. Another key area to focus before you publish your video is here. So if you are just starting, just uncheck this one because you don't have subscription base. You just want YouTube to recommend your video to as many people as it can who it finds are looking for that content. So uncheck this box if you are just starting, because you do not have subscribers. When you have the subscribers, then you can check this one. So I'll leave it unchecked. On category, here choose the category that is relevant to the content that you are creating. I'm creating a tutorial kind of video, so I'll choose how to style. So we select this and then go on next. Here we have two things that we have to take into consideration. The first one is add an end screen. So an end screen is the one which appears at the end of the video. So just go on add and choose any of this, just choose one. So I'll choose this one, then we click save. Then we do the second thing, which is add cards. So you just create on add. So on the cards, you have the option whether you can just add another video. It can be a playlist or it can be another channel. So I'll just demonstrate by adding a video. So you create on video, then you just choose the video which you want. So I've chosen the video, and you can see here on top left of the video is showing some words from the video I've added. So viewers can click on this and they'll be directed to the video I've recommended. From there we go to next. This is very critical, the last part. Oftentimes we as content creators, we want our content to be published as soon as possible. So often we just come straight and go on public so that as soon as we hit public, the video goes live. But we have to give YouTube algorithm time to understand our video and all the settings that we have made so far. Here, I'll describe the options that we have first. The first option is private, as you can see. Only you and people you choose can watch this video. Then you have unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch your video. So then we have the public, where everyone can watch your video. And the public has an option of set as instant premiere. You just publish, then it goes premiere, it's live at the same time. But there's this other option, schedule. So the scheduling is where you just you give it's kind of giving the instruction when you want your video to go live. So this is the best to upload your video. You schedule your video so that you should give YouTube some time to analyze your video, then it starts recommending to the right people when you upload it. Usually you can schedule it for 24 hours. Don't publish your video instantly. Keep some time. So here when we add schedule, we can choose the date, then the time, and then the time zone. Scheduling, you can also set it as a premiere, so you can do that. Actually, it's better to put it here as set as a premiere. So it's a scheduled premiere. This is the best setting here you have to consider. Now when you have done this, we can just hit schedule. So we hit schedule, it will be published tomorrow on the time we have chosen. These are very important CEO strategies that you can implement before uploading, during uploading, and now one more thing that you can do after uploading. When the video has been uploaded, you need to be giving feedback to our viewers. If viewers ask you questions, be able to respond to them. That will encourage the algorithm pick up your video even more. If possible, have the time and respond to the comments or the questions from your viewer. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and watch my next video where I give you more tips on how you can get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours as a small creator. Bye.